What's up, everyone? It's Josh from Meticulous & Co. Mobile Auto Detailing. Today I'm working on a 2014 Jeep Wrangler, and I am going to restore this plastic trim, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So what I'm going to be using today, the product that I will be using to bring the black trim back, is called Solution Finish. There's a lot of retail products that say that they bring back the black trim, and they don't really last all that long. This is going to last you quite some time, and I'm going to show you how to apply it right now. I'll put a piece of tape down the middle to show you how, we'll show you the difference. And I put a piece of tape here to protect the paint. If you get it on the paint, just wipe it right off. But if you can help it, you don't want to get it on the paint. So first would be prep. Now, I already washed the Jeep. I used Car Pro Reset as my car soap. I sprayed Super Clean over everything as my degreaser, so it's clean. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna take this glass cleaner that I made, which is 50% isopropyl alcohol and 50% distilled water, and this will give it that final clean. Now, I'm gonna spray it all over. Just work the glass cleaner into the fender just for that final prep kind of step. Just do that. Now you can see where the fender is at in terms of its lack of luster and color. Now what I'm going to do is I'll put a piece of tape down, show you guys a little 50-50 shot. I'll do this side. Now what I'm going to do is, it tells you the directions on the bottle. One of them is you want to shake it very well. And I have this foam, it's not foam, it's a microfiber applicator pad that I've used for this before, and only this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a few drops onto the applicator pad, just like that. You don't need too much, but depending on the size of the panel, you want to use what you feel is enough. Now I'm going to do circular motions and just work the product into the panel. If you feel like it's getting dry, you can apply more. The more you do it, the more saturated the applicator pad's going to get. So it'll be, you'll spend less time reapplying the product. You just be careful around the light. I didn't tape it off, but you can wipe any product that you get right off. It takes time to cure, so you do have time in between it getting on a light to wipe it off. I'm going to apply a little bit more. I'll fold the applicator pad in half. Just work it into that corner, the edge. If you have the little foam brushes that you get at craft stores, you can use those as well to get in your edges. You usually want to wear gloves as well. I was just starting the video, so I didn't use any. But if you have some, definitely use some. Go around here, get the front. I do a lot of time lapses on my channel. I want to start doing some more videos in real time. So if you guys decide you want to do this at home, you see the work that needs to be put into it, the attention to detail, and the time that it takes to do something like this. Okay, so now you want to make sure you get the bottom lip too. Now it takes 1 to 2 minutes to cure. And so the first area where I started should be cured, but I'm going to give it a little bit of time to work itself in to the panel. Okay, so now when you're done in between panels, in between work, and you want to put the cap back on, now what I'm going to do is take a separate towel, and after it's cured for 1 to 2 minutes, there will be a few high spots, and high spots are, they look a little bit like streaks. You'll notice when you're looking at it in certain light, it looks like streaks on the trim, and it's not a good look. So you want to knock them down essentially and level out your work. So I'm going to take a microfiber towel, and I'm basically just going to wipe everything that I went over. And you can see it's picking up some of the product. I'll flip it over. You're basically working it into the panel, knocking off any high spots, making the coating completely level with the panel. So after it's completely cured, after days go by, you don't see any streaking. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the piece of tape off, and you can see the difference. Now this is a service that we offer. It's also something that you can do at home, whatever you're more comfortable with. And you can see that right there. I'll take the camera off of the tripod and bring you in, give you a closer look. A bit of before. And after. I don't know why my camera shakes like that. But that's it, guys. That's solution finish. And here we are. Thanks for watching, guys.